Sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed when the remains of plants, animals, sea creatures, and rock fragments build up in layers. They are compressed and cemented together over time to form rock. Coal, limestone, sandstone, and shale are examples of sedimentary rock. And the two that we'll be focusing on is limestone and sandstone. As they build up in layers, they are called stratified rocks because strata means layer. Limestone. An exam hint: exam questions on limestone are often linked to chemical weathering and karst landscapes. We'll learn about chemical weathering and karst landscapes in the next part of the chapter. Limestone is a coarse sedimentary rock, coarse meaning rough. It varies in colour from white to grey. Limestone formed when tiny remains of sea creatures, shells, and fish bones sank to the seabed. These fossils built up in layers over millions of years. Pressure from the layers above caused the particles to cement together and form slowly into solid rock. The horizontal layers that form in limestone are called strata. Limestone is a permeable rock, which means it allows water to pass through it. Permeable is a very important geographic word. So permeable means that water can pass through it. Limestone can be found in 31 of the 32 counties in Ireland. Limestone is used to make cement for the building industry. Many public buildings and monuments are constructed of limestone, for example the GPO in Dublin. It is also ground into lime and used as a fertiliser in farming. Limestone chippings are often used to surface roads in Ireland. The remains of plants and animals can be preserved in limestone as fossils. So in this piece of limestone we can clearly see the remains or fossils of some fish. Characteristics of limestone. Limestone is laid down in layers called strata. The horizontal gaps between these layers are called bedding planes. Vertical cracks called joints can occur in limestone. Limestone is permeable, meaning water can easily pass through it. The remains of plants and animals can be found as fossils in limestone. Limestone is made up of calcium carbonate. This can be dissolved by rainwater, so limestone is easily weathered. So weathered or weathering means that rock is worn away due to the weather. This diagram shows the main characteristics of limestone. So we can see the bedding planes are the horizontal cracks. So the cracks going across are known as bedding planes. And the joints are the vertical cracks. So the cracks going downwards are the joints. Water can pass through easily. So we can see a pool of water and it passing through the cracks. The reason for this is that limestone is permeable. And then we can just see the layers all around the limestone. So strata is another word for layers. Rainwater is a weak carbonic acid which dissolves calcium carbonate in the limestone. Sandstone. Sandstone is a coarse sedimentary rock. So coarse meaning rough to touch, rough in texture. It is usually brown or red in colour. Sandstone formed when sand that was worn away by the wind and rivers was transported and deposited. Sand that was deposited on the beds of lakes and seas built up in layers over time. The layers of sand were compressed and eventually cemented together to form sandstone. Sandstone is a common building material. It is often used as paving or decorative stone on the outside of buildings. Sandstone is found in the McGillicuddy Reeks, County Kerry, and the Comera Mountains, County Waterford. Here's a photograph of some sandstone paving. Here's a photograph of a piece of sandstone. Where in Ireland is sandstone found? Well, it's found in the McGillicuddy Reeks, County Kerry, or the Comera Mountains, County Waterford.